Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be braiding and I want to bring you along with me. I have my client here. She's called Annette. She's called Annette. So I want to be braiding her hair, as you can see. Today we are doing passion twists, and I want to take you through the whole process and you see how it's all done. This is what I'm going to be using. This is selfie. I don't know if you can see clearly, yeah, but these are the braids I'm going to be using. So I want to take you step by step. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So before you do anything else, this is what you have to do. You get the strands and start dividing one by one into two. So guys, you have to do this. This is the first step. You have to open up the strands, like it comes out like this. This is how it comes out looking like. So you basically have to detangle. So guys, when you're doing passion twists, these are the first steps you're supposed to take. Most people prefer doing crochet and then they prefer doing cornrows down, and then after that they go and crochet it there after. But this time around, for me, what I normally do, I braid it down like this, exactly what I'm doing here right now. I don't know if you guys can see clearly, but this is my first step. I braid it down and then I come afterwards to crochet in the extensions. This helps the client to easily style it and stay free, unlike crochet whereby you just have to stay with the same style. In other words, you can't style it, you just stay the way the hair has to stay, the way it has been braided, and that's it. But for this, it's very easy for the client to do the styling and also be free, because they can actually leave it to fall or do anything with it. Oh guys, plus also you have to make sure you cut straight lines and in a box where maybe, because it always makes the hair look neater and clean. So guys, I'm done with the very first step. As you can see, like everything is aligned up properly. This is what you're supposed to do if you want passion twist to last longer. Usually, when you do it like this, a client can easily wash the hair, and it can also stay for a very long time without disturbing. So let's go on the second step, which is crocheting. Sometimes I'm afraid of running out of the hair, and so it's always best when you count. So these are 75 strands, so which means I have to make sure I get 75 strands out of this. Let's see. So guys, this is the Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you that we are doing mini passion twists. These are not the longer ones. This is why I'm doing this. This is the shorter version. So if you want to do the longer twist, this is what you do. You hold one strand like this and then you add them together like this. In such a way it becomes extremely longer. But in this case, we shall only be using one. So guys, we are done, but as you can see, the extras, the ends are not really that neat. So what I have to do, I just have to cut out all these shabby endings so that it stays neater. So guys, we're done. This is the final product. As you can see, it's very easy, neat, and easy to style. You can do anything you want with it. So yeah, these are mini passion twists. This is how they look like. So guys, this is the final product. This is how she looks like. So can I? So this is it, guys. This is how she looks like. I think I love it. It's simple and easy, and it's very light on the head. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Plus turn on the notification bell button so that each time I post new videos you'll be the first to view. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Bye till I see you next time.